Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, whenever you are watching this video. This week's weekly tip, I'm going to break stuff down at a high level, then break stuff down each week so y'all can figure out, hey, the IRS truly is a gentleman. I done told y'all that. Y'all may be feeling like, why is she tripping? I'm not tripping. Y'all, I keep telling you that the IRS is a gentleman and the states are like a bad girlfriend or boyfriend trolling you on Instagram and other social media platforms. For those who do not know me, I am yours truly, Patrice Elberry, aka the Tax Cop. I am an enrolled agent who loves all things tax, like truly loves all things tax. And this week, I want to show you all a tool or a resource that y'all need to be paying attention to. Sometimes y'all want to pick up the phone and talk to a tax professional, a CPA, a tax attorney, and y'all haven't done your full due diligence. Y'all know Dr. Google be having a whole bunch of great stuff on it, right? But y'all know one of my favorite websites is IRS.gov. Why? Because they got so many great things on it. Henceforth, the IRS being a gentleman, he wants you to know where to find stuff. He wants you to use all the stuff that's out there. And this week, we're going to talk at a high level about the IRS interactive tools. Why? Because a lot of these questions you want to pick up the phone and ask somebody about, if you just type in www.irs.gov and know where to go, we're going to put the links below. You will be able to find some answers to some deep heart questions you have before you go call somebody or get frustrated because you done called the IRS and they done hung up on you on 85 billion times because they done hung you on hold. And that's just me. That's just me. That's just me. Let's jump into it. All right, I'm gonna share my screen. That's the wrong screen. I'm gonna share my screen, y'all. Hold up. This is what you need to have it ready. Do I want to bring it to this page? Yeah, let's bring it over to this page. Let me minimize it. Let me take you over here. And let me share my screen now. Now y'all can see my screen. Wonderful. I had to figure some stuff out. Y'all don't pay attention to, she not the best tech geek. All right. So here we go. IRS tax tip. This is from 2019. If you actually go to this link, you're going to see it's going to say this is historical content. Yeah, it is. We know it's historical content. But the biggest thing you need to know is tax questions pop up any time of the year. After tax season, during tax season, when you're thinking about taxes, when you're not thinking about taxes. And so there's a lot of questions that you can use the interactive tax assistant on irs.gov to answer. What are some of these questions? Filing requirements. Should you file a return? Do you need to file an amended return? What is your filing status and when you should do it? Should I claim dependents? Do I have exemptions? Retirements, pensions, IRAs, Social Security. Y'all, I got people we are at this age and I got clients that are asking these questions. You need to know what the rules are. Other income. Y'all know this one right here. I'm going to point right here. How do I claim my gambling winnings and losses? Y'all, you got to do it the right way. How do I have income that's subject to self-employment tax? Didn't I do a video about that not too long ago? For those people who are getting tip income, hello? What? Standard deductions. What are the deductions? How I can deduct my stuff. Now, any of my clients, when you're getting your videos, you already understand how some of these things work, right? Because I'm breaking them down line by line and giving you the backstory behind some of the calculations. But if you don't want to wait and you're not sure, or you trying to do it yourself, for my DIYers, why are you not on here? Credits. What credits are you eligible to claim, and when are you eligible to claim them? Y'all, this I know is an older resource, but let's just click on it. Let's just click on it, right? It'll take you to a questionnaire, right? An interactive questionnaire for you to figure out what to do. Now, it say after 30 minutes of inactivity, you'll be forced to start over. but it takes about 10 minutes for you to complete so that you can make sure that you are headed in the right direction. It tells you what you need. You're going to need your spouse and your filing status, your amount of gambling winnings and losses, and any information that was provided to you on the W-2G. Awesome, right? And it'll give you an idea of what you need to do, how you need to record it, etc., based off of your information. Why y'all out here playing around in these streets? Like, you cannot be playing around in these streets. When you have tools like that, tell me he ain't a gentleman. Tell me he ain't a gentleman and not trying to make you show up and be the best version of you. Like, this is awesome, awesome, awesome. We're going to make sure you have a link to this page, not the one about gambling, y'all, but the tools itself, where we just were. Why? Because I want you to be successful when it comes to doing things in these tax streets. I need you to be successful to doing things in these tax streets. And I want you to be empowered and informed. If nothing more, this should be one of these videos that you flag to remember that, hey, we got your best interest at heart. We want you to be successful. We want you to be beyond successful. And you need to be able to do this for you. So next one, we're going to go into a little bit more in depth of some other tools that are available for you. So until next week, peace, y'all.